In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Elementor settings on your WordPress site. If you're looking to start fresh with your Elementor content or you're facing issues that require a complete reset, I'm here to help you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Just head over to your website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, we'll need to add a new plugin to carry out the reset process. In the left-hand menu of your dashboard, look for the Plugins section. Hover over it, and you'll see an option to Add New. Click on that, and it will take you to the plugin repository of WordPress. Now, in the search bar on the top right corner, type in WP Reset. This handy plugin will allow us to perform the reset easily and efficiently. Once you find WP Reset in the search results, go ahead and click on the Install Now button. After a brief moment, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With WP Reset now active, the next step is to launch it and navigate to its settings. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and find Tools. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select WP Reset from this menu, and it will take you to the plugin's main interface. Now that you're within the WP Reset settings, you'll want to pay attention to a specific section called Site Reset. Scroll down the page until you arrive at this area. Before proceeding, please take a moment to read through the warnings provided. This section contains important information about what resetting the site entails. It will remove all your content, restore default settings, and deactivate all plugins, including Elementor content that you're targeting to reset. Make sure you're absolutely sure about resetting because this action cannot be undone. Once you've understood and are ready to proceed, look for the confirmation field right below the warnings. Here, you'll need to type the word reset. This is a safeguard feature to ensure that you really mean to reset the site. After typing reset, you'll see a button labeled Reset Site. Go ahead and give that a click. The WP Reset plugin will now begin the reset process. It may take a few moments, so sit tight and let it do its thing. Once it's all wrapped up, your Elementor settings and content, along with other site data, will be completely reset, giving you a clean slate to start anew. And there you have it. A straightforward way to reset your Elementor settings using the WP Reset plugin. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more comfortable managing these settings on your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy website building.